Well, I think the main thing is a lot of people feel that filling in a tax return is a really onerous task, and some people do leave it a bit to the last minute. But if you come to a professional firm like we are, there won't be any hassle. You provide us the paperwork, we'll work through it, and we'll get your return completed on time.
Because we're tax experts, we can ensure that the information is correctly put into the relevant boxes on that form. To me, it's one of the most simplest tasks that you can ever do once you engage with somebody who knows what they're doing. Why put the stress through yourself? Let somebody else deal with that on your behalf.
It is a fact of life these days that the Revenue do look at tax returns and do pick out random inquiries. If you're concerned that you may not have given all the details quite correctly, which happens, it's a normal thing to do, then really it's people like us that can help you. And if there is an inquiry, then we'll deal with it for you. We have day-to-day contact with the Revenue. We're used to dealing with inquiries and we're used to dealing with the Revenue.
Well, our key aim at Dafferns is to save people tax, and our tax team work really hard to find ways where we can reduce the client's tax bill. Having said that, Dafferns tax savings ideas are always legal, ethical and proactive, and we hope that this means that you can save tax and sleep at night.
One of the areas that, at Dafferns and being a tax expert, just because we complete individuals' tax returns, that is not always where it always ends. There are possibilities at the end of that.
When we actually first meet a client at the initial meeting, we try to understand their circumstances and perhaps look at ways in which we could save tax by changing. Generally just looking to see if there's ways that we can improve what's happened in the past, look for ways that we could increase their basic rate band.
If a client was to know that they were going to be better off financially, whether it be reducing the payments on account or transferring them from a sole trade into a limited company, I think anybody who knows that they're going to be better off financially, it's got to be a winner.